Greetings, everyone. This is Antonio Wicks, founder of drwickdaddy.com, coming to you with a real short video on the ClubCashFund. So what I decided to do was I have a subscription to mycapturepage.com, and I have connected it to the ClubCashFund system. And so what happens is you click on the link, you enter your information, which is your email address, and you will get an 8-minute video presentation on the ClubCashFund. Once you review that, the next thing that you're able to do is to literally go in, enter your mailing address, and you are mailed a kit. It comes in the mail, you read through the information, and then after that, you can decide to send in, if you want to, your one-time licensing fee of $100. Now, this is why this system is so powerful, because there is no buyer's remorse. There are no snap decisions. You're actually requesting information by mail. You're reviewing that information, and you can sleep on it. Take 1 day, 2 days, a week, 3 weeks, never. But you're not in a situation where it's click here, join now, click here, join now. This allows you to make an educated and informed decision, do your research, your due diligence. And if you find out, hey, this isn't for me, the only thing that you've lost is a few minutes of your time. The company actually invests in you first by sending you out a full information kit. And we may get into how that looks and what's contained in that kit. But guys, this is a perfect system because it couples technology with the old school method of reviewing information and then requesting additional information by mail. Guys, no one is doing this, and then they are beating older traditional companies like American Bill Money by taking away the expense of you having to purchase postcards, purchase stamps, purchase leads. The company does everything for you. So guys, I can tell you, and I've made money with American Bill Money. You guys have seen those videos, but the savings of costs, but the greater saving of time is tremendous with ClubCashFund. I did not have that with American Bill Money. I love American Bill Money. It's a great system for those that have the money and the time to invest in it. But for the average person just starting out, not very computer savvy, ClubCashFund is the ticket. Take a look at it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the bell so you can get notifications on new videos, because I'm going to post every activity associated with this business and give a chronological timeline, because I found out that the number one question that people have is, how long did it take you to make money? I believe that's the worst question to ask, because everybody's hustle is different. But I do want to add a chronological timeline just to increase the comfort level of those that may be on the fence about ClubCashFund. All right, guys. My apologies for the length of the video. I said it was going to be short. It's 3.5 minutes. God bless. We'll see you. Peace.